What's up, guys? We're at the Taste of Cincinnati. So we're just walked over that grate and it's blowing air. Tracy is wearing a dress.
Everyone got a show.
So she's walking by and whoop! Whoa, is it pretty good?
Oh yeah. It's a glazed donut and it's cheddar cheese and inside out grilled.
I've never had a grilled cheese donut. I'll try it. A grilled cheese donut right here. Whoa.
Really? Seriously?
Whoa. It's the glazed donut and grilled cheese sandwich. This is what our tax dollars go to. Grade A police golf carts. That thing is awesome. Holy smokes, that's so badass. The Mondo whoopee cushion, boom! $3 wins the prize of a Mondo whoopee cushion just by popping a balloon. Look how hot Tracy is today.
I always do that when I'm eating.
You still look good. So what do you got there? She's got a potato pancake. One of your favorites, right?
Yes, it's amazing.
Ooh.
It just needs pickles.
Pickles?
This is known for their pickles.
Just imagine a giant French fry that's smashed into the shape of a pancake. It's pretty much what it is. You come to the Taste of Cincinnati or you go to any kind of food festival, don't go in thinking you're gonna be on a diet because the diet goes out the window. You won't have a good time. So when you're here, you just enjoy everything. Every bite. Oh, you know we're trying that.
Deep fried peanut butter and jelly!
It's not done yet.
Oh my God. Basically in America, what we do is we take food, everyday food, and we fry it and dump powdered sugar all over it. Boom, look at that. You gotta admit, that does look tasty.
Lay it on me, guys.
Best mac and cheese you could ever get. You got barbecue mac and cheese, man, please? $4. There you go.
We got a BB.
A BB! BB! Oh yeah! That was the best mac and cheese in Cincinnati. I love that place, Keystone.
Delicious.
Delicious. So it's hot. We're at the Taste of Cincinnati. Super hot. We're done. We're flying to California. Going back to the West Coast. That's a big truck. What goes in there?
ATM machines.
ATM machines and pranksters. Yeah. Did you know Taste of Cincinnati is the largest culinary art food festival in the nation? And it's got over 40 food vendors. Now, I couldn't even go through it all, but they have like all kinds of good food. And what else is it?
500,000 people attend.
Oh yeah. My dad's got the best sunglasses in the world. Stay out of trouble, old man. Love you, Pop. See ya. This airport is empty. This is the best way to travel. No lines. Well, I just got tested positive for TNT. I had to come into the TSA private room for a private screening. And I got the private massage. And it was awesome. What happened?
That man back there kept on asking me about the redwood forest. I said, so how did he get into researching the redwood forest? I don't know. How long have you known him? 14 years.
You told him 14 years?
Yeah. And then he goes, you never ask somebody.
I was gonna tell him that we just met. Leaving CVG to CLT, I'm gonna try my flight attendant sex video. Hey. So hopefully this works. Yo, is your headphones plugged in, dude? Are your headphones plugged in? Are your headphones plugged in? Your phone? Is that from up there?
Speaker and a coffee cup under the seat.
That was weird. Is it yours?
No, I've never seen it.